Well, it was a big Sunday night, but it's also going to be a big weather day on Monday. Let's get a look at that as you look out over the stadium through our Bordner Home Improvement City Cam. Here's a look at your Monday. Now, starting at 3 o'clock in the morning, a winter storm warning will go into effect. Those are the pink shaded counties covering the northern tier counties of Missouri and all of northwest Missouri, generally north of St. Joe. Very skinny line with a winter weather advisory. That includes Atchison, St. Joe, Cameron, and Chillicothe. But south of that line, there's no advisories into effect, at least as of right now. 100% chance for rain, so yellow weather alerts then. We could see this begin to mix, especially in the Northland after about noontime. Accumulations will be light, but there could be some slippery roads, and everything will begin to taper off during the evening hours. Here's a look at the storm in its entirety. And I'll go ahead and let this thing run all the way through. This shows at about 5 o'clock in the morning. We may see a little bit of light rain in the Kansas City vicinity. And notice that snow line setting up well to the north by 9 o'clock. At about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I think we'll see that mixture begin to work into areas around Platte City and in the Northland. All snow, but this is going to be very light, tapering off during the evening hours on Monday. So a look ahead to the forecast track. And snow accumulation, it shows the heaviest bands of snow across Nebraska and Iowa. There could be a foot of snow on the ground by the end of the day Monday there. So travel not recommended to the north on I-29 or I-35, especially in the afternoon and evening hours on Monday. Your forecast track a little bit closer to home now, and this will really detail that incoming precipitation. We may see a bit of a break in the rain, but the rain overnight. But notice that freeze line. It's well to the north of our area, basically along and north of U.S. Highway 36. That freezing line begins to sink a little bit further south, and it catches up with areas close to I-70 by about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. But then as the precipitation tapers off, the cold air rushes in. So at the very end of this event, we should see a little burst of snow. Here's your snow forecast accumulations, and you can see that by far the vast majority will stay to the north, while most of that snow in our area by the end of the day Monday will stay north of the metro, maybe a ½ inch around St. Joe, Cameron. Then we get up to those 2, 3, 4 inch amounts up toward that Iowa state line. Forecast for ice, not as impressive as well. It looks like there's very little ice accumulation expected out of this next system. Security Bank 7-day forecast, 35 on Monday, so mostly rain through most of the day. 31 degrees Tuesday. There's a chance that a little bit of light precip could fall. Same on Wednesday, but no alerts because of that. It would be so light. Big warm up, though, by the end of the week and the start of the weekend. Enjoy the next 7 days.